Okay, so I've got error code P0441, the Evap system purge flow. I don't think I've got it that bad because I can clear the code and it'll stay off for a good 4 or 5 months, but I'm just kind of tired of doing that. So I've gone ahead and got the part. Here's the part for the 2003-2004 4.6, the Bosch. There's actually another one of these, but it's for the earlier D2s. And per the forums, you can get a Hyundai version, but I got this one at Rock Auto for about $35 delivered, and I just don't see the cost savings of getting something else. Might as well just get, the original equipment. I don't think there's that much cost savings to get the Hyundai one, so I just got this one again for a 2003-2004 D2 with the 4.6 with the engine. This is the part number, the Bosch. So we're gonna install it and see if that's gone away. So I've already cleared the code. I'll install it and then I'll drive it for a little while, and then I'll see if that works and post this video. So there's our purge valve on this side of the engine, driver's side. I'll probably just take off this hose just to get a little better access. I think I've replaced this before, but with the secondary part, not a brand new part. So hopefully this solves the issue. So there you go. If you take this off, this little tube, and then unplug these little vacuum lines, kind of gives you a lot of better access, and you can just take it off. So it's been about 4 months and almost 1,000 miles. The error code has not come on again, so I think that was our fix. So again, I think you go ahead and buy the Bosch unit. The Hyundai unit's only about $10 cheaper or so. So there you go. Hopefully this helps someone.